Protect your savings and take control of your retirement. Diversify your savings with gold and silver from Augusta Precious Metals. Learn about gold IRAs and how to hedge against economic turmoil. Prepare for retirement. Diversify your savings and find peace of mind. When you choose Augusta, you get much more than precious metals products and services. You gain access to an entire team of gold and silver professionals for the life of your account. Let them be your personal precious metals company and help you achieve the peace of mind that can come from diversifying your savings with these non-paper assets. Get information you need to diversify your retirement. The Gold IRA process and fees. How gold and silver can help retirement savers fight inflation. How Federal Reserve actions could trigger a recession. Concerns about the future of the US dollar. How to avoid falling for gimmicks and high-pressure tactics when buying gold and silver. Let Augusta help you achieve the peace of mind you deserve. Click the link below this video and get their free Gold IRA guide.